Here we are at Discovery Bay at the Resolution Tower. As you can see, this is their door entry system, Select Engineering. It has a handset on it. Unlike a lot of the units, we put just pure speakerphones. The recommendation is the speakerphone is this can be used as a battering ram, although you can tell by this unit it's very solid. Has a nice glow-in-the-dark keypad. The system can be customized. See here it says welcome to Resolution Tower. Press pound to see the names, then dial the code. So if I hit pound, automatically it comes up, and you can hit pound again and it will scroll through the different units, and then you just dial the unit number that you see on the keypad. So apartment number 1214 is 1214. Makes life really simple. Very solid unit. Has a key entry for male people to get in the building. We strongly recommend Select Engineered System. They've been in business for over 40 years and they make a fine product.